yourself first. If you don't put your health first, you won't be able to take care of other people. So for others' sake, take care of yourself first. After malaria, dengue and COVID-19, British man survives cobra bite in India. Lan Jones, a 49-year-old British charity worker who survived COVID-19, dengue and malaria is recovering after a potentially deadly cobra bite in Rajasthan. He was bitten by the cobra in Jodhpur and had symptoms including blurring of vision and difficulty to walk. He was discharged earlier this week. He hadn't been able to travel home due to pandemic, his son said. India's COVID-19 cases nearly 91 lakh mark with 45,209 new cases in 24 hours. India's total COVID-19 cases nearly 91 lakh, while the number of people who have recovered from the disease rose to over 85.21 lakh according to the Union Health Ministry data on Sunday. The total COVID-19 cases mounted to 90 lakh 95,806 with 45,209 new cases reported in the last 24 hours, while the death toll climbed to 1 lakh 33,227 with 501 new fatalities. Pregnant dog saves 4 patients from fire at Russian hospice, suffers severe burns. A pregnant dog saved 4 terminally ill patients from a fire at the hospice in Russia after running into the building to raise the alarm. All 4 residents of the private hospice were safely pulled from the blaze after the fire service was called. The dog is recovering from severe burns after she passed out due to carbon monoxide fumes. Government allows Ayurveda doctors to perform surgeries. The government has allowed postgraduate Ayurveda doctors to perform a variety of general surgical, ENT, ophthalmology and dental procedures after training. Indian Medical Association said the move is equivalent to corrupting the entire health system. The Central Council of Indian Medicine said such procedures have been going on for 20 to 25 years and the notification is to clarify they are legal. Tibetan leader visit White House for the first time in 6 decades. Lobsang Shanghai, head of Tibetan government in exile, has visited the White House for the first time in 6 decades amid US-China tensions. Visits amounts to an acknowledgement of both the democratic system of the Central Tibetan Administration, which is CTA, and its political head, CTA said. Last month, Shanghai was received by the US State Department for first time in 60 years. APEC leaders agree on free trade in first joint statements since 2017. Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, which is APEC leaders, including US President Donald Trump, have pledged to work towards free, open and non-discriminatory trade in their first joint statement since 2017. The members also pledged to refrain from backtracking and resorting to protectionist measures to keep markets and borders open. Malaysian Prime Minister Muhyiddin Yassin, the host of this year's meeting, said. 17-year-old boy cycles from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in 8 days. A 17-year-old boy from Maharashtra's Nasik has travelled from Srinagar to Kanyakumari on a bicycle in 8 days, 7 hours and 38 minutes, breaking the record for the fastest bicycle journey across India. Om Mahajan finished the journey of 3,600 km on Saturday afternoon. Indian Army's Lieutenant Colonel Bharat Pannu recently finished the journey in 8 days and 9 hours. Blind man runs 5 km without guide dog with Google's AI system in US. A blind man in the US ran 5 km without a guide dog or any human help using Google's trial AI-based system called Project Guideline. A Project Guideline app uses the phone's camera to track a guideline that's been painted on the course. The app then sends audio cues to bone conducting headphones when a runner moves away from the line. Taapsee Pannu shares pictures showing her scars as she undergoes training for film. Actress Taapsee Pannu took to Instagram to share pictures from the training session of her upcoming film Rashmi Rocket, in which she will play an athlete. Alongside the pictures, she wrote, "Hop, skip, run, repeat. #Rashmi Rocket. PS, those marks are not of brutal assault on me, but technically only on my muscles. #Battle Scars. Rashmi Rocket will be directed by Akash Khurana." Apple others ask for data protection in Google antitrust lawsuit in US. Apple, Amazon and others that have assisted the US government in antitrust lawsuit against Google have asked for some of their data to be designated as highly confidential. The firms have asked the judge to prohibit any Google employee from having access to data. Amazon had previously said sensitive documents could help Google gain leverage in any future negotiations. China's Xi Jinping holds the record for longest head hair, the female sector. Her hair was 5.627 meters long when it was measured in May 2004. This is the Josephine Myrtle Corbin. She was born with two pair of legs. Eating blueberries can help to improve your memory. Website name, which is www.remove.bg. You can remove the background 100% automatically just by uploading your photo. In the Gillette logo, G and I have been precisely cut razor sharply to show precision and sharpness of the Gillette razor.